Greetings and welcome to our channel. Today, we will delve into the creation of a Hysteria server, an essential tool for enhancing your online experience. Let's commence this learning journey. Start by navigating to google.com and search for howdy.id. Once on the website's home screen, locate and tap on the three lines icon. Select the option labeled Tunnels from the drop-down menu. Scroll down the page and choose the Hysteria option. Complete the verification process to confirm you are not a robot, then click on Show Server. The website will proceed to process your account details. Copy all the server details provided and save them for future use. If you wish to connect to this server using Hysteria-supported applications, refer to the description for additional guidance and tutorial videos. Experience a remarkable boost in your internet speed by harnessing the power of the Hysteria server. Don't forget to connect with us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. You can find the links in the description below. Feel free to engage with us by leaving your comments, liking our video, and subscribing to our channel for more enriching content.